date so stuffed with triumphant upheavals, cosmic revelations, and notorious fiascos that it might just melt your mind. Hello, fearless time travelers, and welcome to Today in History for 12 May. We've assembled 20 epic tales guaranteed to spark lively arguments at your next dinner party. Love cunning conspiracies, space-age leaps, or rebellious triumphs? Smash that subscribe button now. Buckle up. Once our time machine rockets into these shocking events, there's no going back. Number 20. On 12 May 254, Pope Stephen I succeeded Pope Lucius I, guiding the early church through doctrinal tangles. His brief pontificate still stirred fiery debates over baptism and penance rites. Number 19. On 12 May 1191, King Richard I married Berengaria of Navarre in Cyprus. Their Mediterranean wedding soon morphed into crusading drama, fueling Europe's fascination with romance amid holy warfare. Number 18. On 12 May 1364, King Casimir III established the University of Krakow, later Jagiellonian University, launching a scholarly beacon whose intellectual sparks lit Poland's corridors of medieval learning. Number 17. On 12 May 1551, Emperor Charles V chartered the National University of San Marcos in Lima, Peru. Now the oldest in the Americas, it has weathered inquisitions and independence upheavals. Number 16. On 12 May 1780, British forces captured Charleston, South Carolina, dealing a colossal blow to American patriots. Their triumphant redcoats soon provoked stubborn rebels who simply refused to surrender. Number 15. On 12 May 1870, Britain's Parliament passed the Manitoba Act, birthing the Canadian province of Manitoba. Its new frontiers lured settlers, while indigenous communities navigated complex transformations under the Crown. Number 14. On 12 May 1926, the airship Norge, led by Roald Amundsen, became the first aircraft to fly over the North Pole. Their frosty triumph enthralled explorers and chilled cozy living rooms. Number 13. On 12 May 1932, the Lindbergh baby's remains were discovered near Hopewell, New Jersey, ending a frantic search. Public outrage exploded, fueling stricter kidnap laws and a media circus for decades. Number 12. On 12 May 1937, George VI's coronation enthralled global audiences at Westminster Abbey, patching up the monarchy's recent abdication scandal. London's rainy streets, nevertheless, gleamed with parades, pageantry, and teary loyalty. Number 11. On 12 May 1941, Konrad Zuse unveiled the Z3 in Berlin, the world's first working programmable computer. Wartime conditions overshadowed its brilliance, but computing's radical future was quietly taking form. Number 10. On 12 May 1942, the Second Battle of Kharkov ignited on the Eastern Front. Soviet offensives stumbled before German pincer movements, revealing harsh lessons in coordination and Hitler's unrelenting war drive. Number 9. On 12 May 1949, the Soviet Union lifted the Berlin blockade, letting Allied supply convoys roll freely again. This Cold War victory left Berliners relieved and sharpened tensions for decades ahead. Number 8. On 12 May 1965, Luna 5 crashed onto the moon's surface after a control glitch. Though battered, the Soviet mission propelled fresh lunar dreams and an orbital race of cosmic nerves. Number 7. On 12 May 1975, Khmer Rouge forces seized the U.S. merchant vessel SS Mayaguez off Cambodia. American Marines soon stormed Koh Tang Island, sparking a tense international standoff in the region. Number 6. On 12 May 1981, Irish Republican Francis Hughes died on hunger strike in Northern Ireland's Maze prison. His steadfast protest stirred global attention, fueling fierce debates over political status. Number 5. On 12 May 2008, a magnitude 8 earthquake pummeled China's Sichuan province, toppling schools, roads, and villages. Over 80,000 died, spurring global sympathy and a colossal humanitarian effort for survivors. Number 4. On 12 May 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack hammered Windows systems worldwide, demanding Bitcoin ransoms. Panicked hospitals, corporations, and everyday folks learned the hard way about sneaky digital saboteurs. Number 3. On 12 May 2022, Finland's leaders declared intention to join NATO, jettisoning decades of neutrality. Moscow bristled. while Finns recalculated security amid the tectonic shifts of Europe's ongoing tensions. Number 2. On 12 May 1846, the Donner Party departed Springfield, Illinois, chasing a shortcut to California. Spoiler alert, their path over the Sierra Nevada turned into a ghastly survival saga. Number 1. On 12 May 1987, the Polish Pope John Paul II embarked on his second visit to Chile, urging reconciliation amid Pinochet's dictatorship and inspiring thousands who crave democracy's bright horizon. And there you have it. 12 May's cosmic leaps, monarchy shakeups, and a dash of digital mayhem. If these revelations rattled your everyday thinking, smash that subscribe button right now. Tomorrow's date promises cunning betrayals, comedic fiascos, and maybe even a cameo from your all-time historical crush. Craving more revelations? Stay tuned. Our next time travel trip might just spin your worldview sideways, proving once again that history is anything but ordinary.